How to fix Roblox error code 280. Disconnected from game, please reconnect. So first thing you want to do is check what type of operating system you use. So for Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, this is the steps to do. So basically just uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application, clear the app data, and some network related issues. Now for Windows 11, you need to also try uninstalling and reinstall the Roblox application. You can do that by searching the text field, go to the programs, and press and hold click. And also you need to clear app data as well. So this is the same for older Windows. You just need to clear the app data. And this gets the access to the cache build up cleared from your system, i.e. clearing the app's data restores the apps to its default settings and clears all stored app data. And that's how you can basically uninstall Roblox and open the command prompt by pressing Win plus R and type CMD and press enter and type this following prompt right here, which is this code right here. Simply just type this and then enter Y when asked to answer, and then restart your computer and then reinstall Roblox. Then lastly, some network related issues as well. So try connecting your system to a different source of internet connection and see if the issue persists. So you need to have good internet connection and also a good and fast internet connectivity. And that's how you can basically fix your Roblox error code 280, which is disconnected from game. Please reconnect.